everybody, welcome to your Thursday lesson. Today we are going to learn how to add information that you find in a source, meaning like a website or an article or a journal or a newspaper. And how do you take that research and how do you add it into your paragraph? There's a very specific way we must do this, because if you do this incorrectly, then that is stealing somebody else's ideas. And at university, that is illegal. It is illegal to steal someone else's ideas and say that they are your ideas. So we don't want to do that. We want to do this the correct way. So how do we add a fact into your paragraph? Okay. The first thing you need to do is you need to find a fact that supports your topic. So the fact that you find needs to support, where's my head? Okay. The fact that you find needs to support the topic of your paragraph. And so, when you're reading your articles, I gave you your website that you must use. So using that website, you're going to look for an article that supports what you are saying in your thesis statement and in your body paragraph. Okay, so find a fact that supports your topic. Okay, so for example, if my topic is cats are great pets, I found this fact. Cats are more intelligent than dogs. This is the fact I want to use inside my paragraph to help support my topic. Okay, now this information is very important. This is the information of where I found this fact. So I found it inside the Journal of Pets. This is the name of the journal. I forgot the title. Cats are great. Okay, so this is the name of the journal. This is the title of the article. This is the author or the person who wrote the article. This is the date it was written. And this is the volume and issue number. So I'm using a journal article. That is my source, but you guys are using a website and that's going to have something different. I'm going to talk about that later. Okay. So find a fact that supports your topic. So this is my fact. Cats are more intelligent than dogs. So now that I have found my fact that I want to use and I know all the information about where I got that fact. So for you guys, it's going to be things like, what is the website? What is the author? Or who is the author? What is the date it was written? So you need that kind of information for your fact because you are using a website. Okay, so this is the first part. I'm going to pause the video, change my board, and then we will talk about the second part. Okay, I'm back. So the next thing we have to do is paraphrase our fact. So this word paraphrase maybe is new to you. Paraphrase. It is a verb. It's also a noun. To paraphrase means that you are going to take a piece of writing and you're going to write it again using synonyms and maybe changing the sentence structure. Yeah, synonyms and changing the sentence structure. Basically, to paraphrase, we say that you are putting it in your own words. So This is important to do so we do not steal somebody's exact same idea. We want to paraphrase it so it is in our words, not the author's words. Okay, now paraphrasing is quite a difficult academic skill, and so I only want you guys to just try to do this the best you can. We will practice this a lot more in level 7 when you do your research essay. So this is just to give you a little taste. Okay, so cats are more intelligent than dogs. How do we paraphrase this? We need to use synonyms and we need to change the sentence structure. Okay, so first, let's identify the words that we can use synonyms for. All right, so usually we can use synonyms for our main words, our nouns, which are our subject and object, our adjectives, sometimes our main verbs. These are good words to use synonyms for. Okay. So I'm going to say, instead of dogs, I'm going to say canines. Canines is an academic or scientific word for dog. Okay. Canines are less smart. So instead of saying more intelligent, I'm saying less smart than felines. Okay, so felines is a scientific word for cats. Canines is a scientific word for dogs. And I wrote less smart as an opposite to more intelligent. And I changed the sentence structure. So here, cats is the subject, and here, dogs is the subject. But the important thing is the meaning of these two sentences are the same. But I've just changed some synonyms and changed the sentence structure. Be very, very careful when you do this that you are not changing the meaning. So don't add any new information. Don't remove any information. Just try and use some synonyms and change it around a little bit, but they must have the exact same meaning. So that is the second step. We have to paraphrase our fact. Okay.